everyone, it's time to see how to download Git locally in your computer. So yeah, there are hardly few steps and we are good to go. So simply you have to type on you have to go to your local browser, whether go and type Git SCM. I'll be providing you the link in the description, so do not worry about that. This is the first site that you see, and here you will find the various operating systems that are given here. Okay, so this is download for Windows, as you can see. Simply click on this. Find out your own, be it using, are you using 32-bit, 64-bit or whatever, right? So simply I'll be clicking this for 64-bit Git for Windows setup. And as you can see, you can get the local path where you want to store this. So let it be. Do not touch any other thing. Simply click on save. It will take some time to download. It is hardly, 60 to 70 MB application on the software. So just wait. Depends on your internet speed. Okay, so once it is downloaded, what you need to do is you simply just go to the my computer or this PC, in my case, go to the downloads and simply you can find it that this is the place where it is kept, right? Simply double click on this. So here this will be asking you permission. Just click on yes. Now this is very crucial. See, whether you want to read or not. So simply there are 5 to 6 steps. You simply need to click, and whatever is the default setting, do not touch that. Simply let it be, right? I'll be clicking install. It will take some time. Then again, we will be following these steps. Do not do anything. It is as it is done earlier for you. So you need not to worry about and do not change any of the setting if you are the beginner, right? Okay, so it will take some time. Once it is download, you just simply need to go and click finish. Okay, now no need to do anything, just simply cut this up. Now if you want to check that it is installed in a right way or not, so you simply need to go to any of the command shell, prompt shell, whatever you want. So just write cmd. Now here you have to type the command, that is git hyphen hyphen version. So as you can see, since this is stored correctly, this you can see that this is the output that I'm getting, git version 2.44.0 whatever. If you're watching this video somewhere later, then this version might be changed, but if you're getting something like this, then you are good to go with that. Your git has correctly installed in your local system, so do not need to worry about something else. And in case if you get any sort of error, you just simply go find it out in the chat GPT or YouTube, wherever you want. It is very simple and people will provide you the solution for the same. So our Git setup is almost ready. I mean, completely ready. After setting up Git correctly, now it's time to make a GitHub profile. So simply you need to click on, you just go to a local browser. In my case, it is Google Chrome. Just simply type GitHub. Simple. This is the first site that you can see. Click here. And this is a page that you will see. Eventually you just simply need to click on sign in, sign up, whatever you want. So since you are creating a new account, you need to click on sign up. You need to put your email, you need to create a password,